Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl, your favorite content creator, the one and only. It's your girl, Michelle. It's been like 24 hours. I ain't pick up the camera, but it feels like 2 years. Yesterday was just not my day. I was not feeling life. I didn't feel good physically. I just felt so unenergetic, which is not like me because I'm always on the go and I have things to do. But my son was playing himself yesterday. It was doing flips and tricks and dips. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna play it cool. I'm gonna play it safe because the worst thing is going out when your stomach is upset and you gotta go boo-boo. It's just hectic. The only thing I did yesterday was I got my nails done, put the nails back on because I was tired of those. I was tired of my little baby nubs and the press-ons were just getting old. But yeah, today's Saturday. It is 11 o'clock. Feeling much better today. I feel like I look real bummy right now, but it's okay because I washed my butt. Today I have so much to do. Like I have a shitload of things to do in a short period of time because as you guys know, tomorrow is Easter. Being that I'm not going to see you guys tomorrow, I'm going to say it now. Happy Easter to all of you guys. Easter is a big thing in our family. My mom is actually cooking a big dinner for us. I love Easter because of the meaning, but I also love Easter because it's a time where all of the family gets together and we get to eat. Okay, let me run down the list of things we got to do for today. First things first, I want to go to Carter's. Justice is growing out of all of his clothes and I just can't deal with it. My baby's sprouting up like a whole beanstalk. Then we gotta go to Walmart because there is this new body wash, y'all, for the cootie cat. Y'all know how much I love Honey Pot, but this brand that just came out is by Always. Y'all, your girl been wearing Always since the Metro started, and now they finally dropped a feminine wash for the cuckoo. I'm gonna go in there and see if I can get that. I also want to look for some matcha tea because I'm tired of spending $5 every single day for matcha tea when I can just make it at home and save some coins. I'm so super late and I'm so disappointed because this is not me, but hell, things happen. I gotta get it together. I need to get the kids a Easter basket, more so just Mia because she was like, Ma, is the Easter bunny coming? And every single year the Easter bunny shows up. The Easter bunny's running a little late. Hoping and praying I can find a basket. If not, I'm just gonna find her something. Then I want to get the dyeing kit so we can dye some eggs. Now that Justice is a little older, Lyric don't give a damn. Lyric could care less. She's in her own little tween teeny bopper stage. She don't care. Then your girl gotta go to the grocery store because my mom texted me early in the morning like, hey, can you pick up this, that, and the third? So I'm hoping that she don't got a whole laundry list. I can imagine how crowded the grocery stores is gonna be today, but you know what, we gonna get it done. I'm gonna go get some gas real quick and then I'll see you guys when I get to my first location. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And when you love somebody, give it to me now. Yeah. You make it so good, I don't wanna leave, but I gotta. Oh, baby, don't stop. Dip low in the phantom with the wheel spinning, lady. I can't stand when I let people cross and they don't even thank me. Who raised you? Jump them in the club, have you out and out when it bump this drugs to make you feel. Jump them in the club, have you ahead of you. I'm a leader, I'm some following shit. Coming in this game on some following shit just to get to the top. I put 100% in every line I drop. He like when I hit his line talking nasty. He like when I tell him meet me in the backseat. I like it nasty. See what they have. If the music is too loud, I'm gonna show you guys when I get out of here because they always play music in here. So I see all summer stuff. It's too early for summer. Carter's has had nothing. Isn't this cute? He needs something when it's chilly in the morning and then when it gets chilly at night. Got this cute short sleeve shirt. They didn't really have any skinny jeans or any jeans to match this, so I just got this shirt and I'll probably find him some jeans somewhere else. I got these black skinny jeans with this Oshkosh black detail. That's pretty much it. They literally have all summer stuff. Literally only have, what's she looking at? Not today. That's my cue to go. I came in at the worst time right now. When I tell you it's crazy, I don't think we're gonna have any luck with these Easter egg kits because the aisles is looking real empty, y'all. Look, I can't make this shit up. I need to find something for my babies. I already called but Five Below. Five Below don't have nothing. I definitely could just make my own really quickly, but I think I just want something that's made because that'll be quicker and less stressful. I might have to go with these right here. This might be my best bet. I don't really see a lot of candy in here. Oh, this is cute. It has Skittles, fruit snacks, and some chalk. Found it. I can get this one or this one. This was a bad idea. Very bad idea, y'all. I'm trying to get in and get out. My anxiety is starting to heighten because everywhere I go, somebody's in the aisle. So we're gonna make this real quick, y'all, real quick, because I'm not with it today and I can't deal with a lot of people. Y'all know how I feel. People in here coughing. Not a damn soul got a mask on. I'm like the only weird one with a mask on. It's still not safe. To each his own. Oh my God, guys, they have it here. You know what? Walmart is full of shit. You know that? Because I went on the website and they said that they didn't have it. So this is exactly what I was looking for, y'all. We're gonna see what all the hype is. This is the Always Sensitive Wash, Vitamin E, amino acids, and then they have the light scent. So if you're a little more sensitive, you could try this one. But no, this is the light scent and this is the sensitive wash. We're going with the light scent. Oh, they got honey pot in here now. Stop playing. I usually only find this in Target. I'll take you. I gotta call my mom right now.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Mom. So I'm about to go to Stop and Shop. So just remind me what you need me to get again.
A baby, the small brown sugar and the buns.
Hopefully it's not too hectic. I don't have too much stuff to get anyway. Some hot dog buns, hamburger buns. Get 2 packs. Should be good. All right, y'all, I'm back home. Not too bad. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got. You saw what I got from Carter's, but this is what I got from Walmart. I couldn't resist this. Justice is loving dinosaurs now. It's a touch and feel sound book, so I'm about to show this to him. He's gonna go crazy over this. It's either dinosaurs or trains. Look what Mama got. You gonna read the dinosaurs with me? What is this? Feel, touch it, touch it. See, you feel it? Isn't that cool? Oh no! Push it! Push! Ooh! Push it! Push it, let go!
Big dinosaur!
Yes! Listen, I went into Walmart. I literally had no intentions of getting any candles. So when I went to Walmart, my intentions was to just get the eggs and the Easter baskets, but I saw this candle, and this is a new candle. Look at this candle, y'all. I don't even know what brand this is, but Explore America Chicago. Green floral, water lily, and apple blossom, and oh my God. Smell it, y'all. Oh my God. I cannot wait to light this. Yeah, I told you guys I was looking for the matcha. So when I went in the store, it was so funny because I was asking all the employees that work there in the food aisle, like, you guys have matcha? They were like, matcha? What's matcha? And I'm like, y'all don't know what matcha is? So I literally had to pull it up on my phone, and lo and behold, I found it by myself because they didn't even know they had this in the store. So I'm gonna try this. I don't know if this is the best brand, but you can have it hot or cold. And I only paid like $2.50 for this. So we're gonna try this out. We don't even need to say much about this. I finally got my hands on this Always Cleanse Refreshing Wash. This is the one that I was talking about, y'all. Y'all know how I feel about hygiene. Really? Right when I'm talking? Whenever I find out there's a new product or a new hygiene item out, you know your girl wants to try it. So I'm excited to try this. Of course I've tried feminine wash, and I've been using the honey pot, and I've also tried that other one. I forgot the other brand of it, but this one, we're gonna see what this is about. So if you guys are interested, they have it at Walmart, Target, and they have it at Acme. Pretty much it. I got everything accomplished. I'm so happy. The main thing that I needed to get done got done. Easter Bunny showed up. Easter Bunny didn't disappoint, so we got the Easter baskets and the cut. That's handled. We got the eggs. We got the kit, so we're gonna dye. Do I have that kit? We're gonna dye some eggs later with the kitties. Everything got handled in a short matter of time. I think I did everything in under 2 hours, so even though it was a little hectic in the stores, your girl was like, not today. I knew exactly what I needed, and I got in and got out. So I'm grateful for that. So right now I'm just gonna probably straighten up my room a little bit. Then I'll probably go see my mom and drop off the stuff that she needed me to get for her, and probably help her cook if she needs a little bit of help. But y'all know how Sandy B is. She don't need no help. She does it all. So yeah, rest of the day I'm just gonna be chilling, straighten up a little bit, because tomorrow we're gonna be at my mom's house for the whole day with the family. So that's it, y'all. Once again, I want to say happy Easter to all of you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day tomorrow. Remember how important tomorrow is. It's always a holiday that is very, very meaningful to me and my family. Stay tuned for some more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.